Welcome back to HX Motors. Today, we are diving into one of the most extraordinary motorhome concepts ever imagined, a true fusion of luxury, power, and futuristic design. What you're looking at is an ultra-futuristic Cadillac luxury motorhome designed like a massive heavy-duty truck, not a van. From the moment you lay eyes on it, the presence of this vehicle is undeniable. Its extra-long, imposing body stretches across the showroom floor, crafted with a premium pearl-white chrome-infused metallic exterior that gleams with a mirror-like shine, reflecting light in a way that makes every curve, edge, and angle pop with perfection. The proportions are larger than life, making this motorhome an instant statement on the road or in any high-end collection. Every element of the exterior has been carefully sculpted to balance aggression and elegance, combining Cadillac's signature luxury cues with a forward-thinking futuristic aesthetic. The motorhome's stance is commanding, thanks to its 10 massive heavy-duty wheels spread across 5 axles, each fitted with oversized alloy rims featuring intricate metallic detailing. The muscular wheel arches and wide footprint give this vehicle a sense of stability and strength, allowing it to dominate any terrain while remaining visually impressive. The front fascia is a masterpiece of design and technology, featuring a bold, geometric Cadillac grille made from high-tech, futuristic materials. Illuminated patterns glow subtly across the surface, with the Cadillac emblem prominently lit in the center, instantly drawing the eye. Ultra-slim laser LED headlights flank the grille, projecting a sharp, futuristic light signature that highlights both functionality and cutting-edge styling. From any angle, the front view of this motorhome commands attention, its aggressive design balanced perfectly by the elegance of its reflective white exterior. Seamless black panoramic smart glass windows stretch across the cabin, adding a layer of sophistication while maintaining privacy. The glass is deep tinted and reflective, blending perfectly with the aerodynamic side panels that feature hidden doors and integrated steps, ensuring that nothing disrupts the smooth lines of the body. When you move around the exterior, every angle tells a story of innovation, from the subtle curvature of the roof to the precise engineering of the rear diffuser. No detail is overlooked. This motorhome is parked in a state-of-the-art, modern, transparent, full-glass showroom in the United States, bathed in natural daylight that pours in through the floor-to-ceiling walls. The polished, reflective floor mirrors the vehicle flawlessly, creating an illusion of weightlessness while emphasizing the flawless finish of its metallic surfaces. Stepping closer, you notice the meticulous attention to detail on the wheels and tires. The massive off-road tires are designed not just for looks, but for true capability, hinting that this motorhome is as much about adventure as it is about luxury. The 5 axles and oversized rims aren't just visual statements, they symbolize the engineering prowess behind this concept, combining road presence, performance, and durability. The interplay of light across the polished surfaces, reflections on the glass, and shadows on the showroom floor creates a dynamic visual experience, making it clear that this motorhome is not only a vehicle, but a work of art. Every curve, angle, and line has been deliberately designed to evoke power, elegance, and innovation simultaneously. But the magic isn't limited to the exterior. Step inside, and the interior transports you to a world of luxury that rivals any high-end home or private jet. The interior is designed with a clean, modern aesthetic, emphasizing space, comfort, and cutting-edge technology. As you enter, the first thing you notice is the open, airy feel created by the seamless integration of glass and light. The panoramic windows let in natural daylight, illuminating the interior and offering breathtaking views outside. The floor is crafted from polished wood, combined with subtle metallic accents, reflecting a minimalist yet opulent design language. The driver's area is an experience in itself. The futuristic dashboard integrates a digital cockpit with touch-responsive controls, holographic navigation displays, and a central AI interface that anticipates driver needs. Every control is within intuitive reach, blending ergonomics with futuristic design. The steering wheel is wrapped in premium leather with metallic inlays that complement the high-tech ambiance. From here, driving this motorhome feels more like piloting a luxury spaceship than a conventional vehicle, with advanced suspension and handling systems ensuring smooth operation regardless of road conditions. Moving further into the living area, the attention to detail becomes even more apparent. Plush, modular seating wraps around a central lounge space, allowing for comfort whether you are traveling or stationary. The seats are upholstered in high-quality leather, soft to the touch, but durable enough to withstand years of use. Ambient lighting integrated into the ceiling and side panels adjusts automatically based on natural light levels and time of day, creating a serene environment. Every fixture, from the control panels to the trim, is crafted with precision, reflecting Cadillac's commitment to luxury and innovation. The kitchen area embodies sophistication and functionality. High-end appliances are seamlessly integrated into sleek cabinetry, offering both storage and an uncluttered aesthetic. Surfaces are crafted from durable, polished materials that are as beautiful as they are practical. From a touch-activated induction cooktop to a fully automated coffee machine, every element of this space is designed for convenience without compromising luxury. A compact dining area adjacent to the kitchen features elegant seating and a fold-out table system, perfect for meals or meetings while on the move. In the sleeping quarters, the concept really shines. The bedroom is designed to feel like a retreat, with a luxurious bed, ambient lighting, and smart climate controls that adjust automatically for optimal comfort. Storage is cleverly integrated into walls and furniture, ensuring that even the longest trips remain organized and clutter-free. High-quality materials, soft textiles, and attention to acoustics create a peaceful environment, isolating occupants from exterior noise and providing a truly restful experience. The bathroom is equally impressive, featuring premium fixtures, a spacious shower, and smart water management systems. Materials are selected not only for durability, but also to maintain a sense of luxury, with polished metals, glass, and high-quality composites that echo the exterior's reflective brilliance. Everything in this motorhome's interior is about blending comfort with technology, ensuring a seamless, high-end experience from floor to ceiling. This concept motorhome doesn't just impress visually, it's designed with functionality and sustainability in mind. Advanced energy management systems allow for long-distance travel without compromise, while intelligent automation optimizes fuel efficiency and reduces environmental impact. Every technological component, from navigation to climate control, is integrated into a central system that prioritizes ease of use while maintaining an elegant interface. As you explore the motorhome, it becomes clear that this is not just a vehicle, it's an immersive experience. Whether parked in a luxury showroom like the one here in the United States, with its floor-to-ceiling transparent walls and mirror-like reflective floors, or out on an open road, the Cadillac Motorhome embodies futuristic luxury, technical mastery, and uncompromising style. Its reflective pearl-white body, illuminated grille, and commanding front fascia make it a showstopper from every angle. The design seamlessly merges aesthetics with utility, showing what the future of motorhomes could look like. Even the smallest details have been considered, from the placement of lights to the tactile feel of controls, from the balance of reflections on the metallic surface to the integration of hidden panels and aerodynamic shapes. Every choice contributes to a cohesive vision of the ultimate luxury mobile experience. Cadillac's design language is pushed to its limits here, combining the iconic elegance of the brand with radical innovation, creating a vehicle that feels both futuristic and timeless. As we wrap up this tour, remember that what you've seen today is more than a concept, it's a vision of what's possible. This is my own concept style, and motorhomes like this may become reality in the future. From the aggressive front fascia to the serene interior spaces, every inch of this Cadillac motorhome has been imagined to set a new benchmark in futuristic mobile luxury. It's a bold statement, a vision of innovation, and an invitation to dream bigger about what vehicles can be. Remember, concepts like this are more than just design exercises. They are glimpses into the future of transportation, merging technology, luxury, and practicality in ways that were previously unimaginable. By imagining these vehicles today, we can inspire tomorrow's engineers, designers, and visionaries to bring such creations to life. This is my own concept style, and motorhomes like this may become reality in the future. From the aggressive front fascia to the serene interior spaces, every inch of this Cadillac motorhome has been imagined to set a new benchmark in futuristic mobile luxury.